Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to show you how to make claws, cat claws. So we're first going to need some paper, printer paper, any notebook paper, any paper. As long as it's a rectangle, you're good to go. The first step is to fold it like this. Fold it like that. And then you're going to fold this part up here down to here. Alright, now it looks like a small house. Alright, then you're going to need to fold this part right here, like this. Like that. Then you need to fold this part here. After that, it's going to kind of maybe look like a boat, probably. And then you're going to fold this bottom part. This is why you need a rectangle paper. So you can fold this part up like this. Now it's just a triangle. Alright, and then after that, you're going to fold this side up to right here. Now it's a smaller rectangle, triangle. Alright, so now I'm going to get this flap and fold it towards this crease. Or we fold the other side. And if done correctly, should end up with this. So first you're going to have to go like this, and then fold like this, and then fold this part down into here. After that, you should have this weird triangle with this part. Then you're gonna fold this part right here onto the last flap. It's okay if it's not perfect like this, but as long as it looks like kind of like a line. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, my camera fell. Alright, yeah, like you're gonna fold it back right here. After that, you should have this tiny hole like in here. You're gonna take this part and fold it inside this part, like that. And after that, you're done. So if you see right here, there's like another hole in there, which you could put your finger in there, and boom, you got your claw. So if you're gonna want to cover both hands, all of them, you're gonna need 10. So if you like this video, enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, like and consider subscribing if you want to. And have a nice day. Okay, really quick, I just want to show you what it looks like on one full hand. Yep, that's what it looks like. You could prank your friends, scare your friends, siblings, mom, parents, and yeah.